Mindo Cloud Forest, known for its biodiversity and bird watching. We are here to see and experience the birds firsthand.
Well, this is our view from our balcony. For the 7 days, we're about 20-minute drive, a very slow drive out of Mindo. You're a bit isolated. Taxi in town, I think, is $5. But in saying that, you've got lots of bird life. Looking forward to it. Should be nice and relaxing. Tomorrow we're off into town to buy some groceries. Probably do a couple things in town as well.
We stayed at Sendero de las Aves Mindo. The birding here was incredible. The host feeds the birds bananas several times a day and refills the hummingbird feeders when needed. There are many different species of birds, including hummingbirds and toucans.
These big brown ones like to suck on the fruit.
We found the butterfly house to be colorful and very interesting. We recommend visiting.
Some butterflies stay still for a long time, other ones can't sit still. They're always moving. The entrance costs $7 per person.
It's like this. Looks like a brain.
Yes.
But please.
But you can eat the...
And it's called cocoa bean. And here in Ecuador, there are two different cocoa types, two different varieties, two different species. The yellow one, this one is Ecuadorian. It's native to Ecuador. And the most expensive cocoa product in the world, just chocolate over 60. Anything plus 60 semi-sweet chocolate is good for heart, brain, high blood pressure. It's good for memory. There's a lot of magnesium in it, so it's good for the muscles and the joints. And it makes you, chocolate makes you
Go.
happy. And this one, yellow one, we can find it only here in Ecuador. And just 5%, less than 5%. After chocolate production, global, world's production is made from Malaysia. So it's very exclusive, it's very rare. And always is more expensive, at least 5 or 6 times more expensive. For example, here in Ecuador, we buy the Nestle bar $1.50. It's not expensive, it's reasonable. But we buy Ecuadorian chocolate, made from Arriba, pure Arriba, at least $5. Good to know, the world's most expensive chocolates from Ecuador, made from Arriba. Its name is Troy. It's a brand. It's an Ecuadorian chocolate brand, and its name is Troy. Troy chocolate. T-O-A-K. Troy chocolate. And sometimes, depending how distinct from origin you should pay, what do you think? How much does it cost? One Troy chocolate bar. This big, half of this. 1.7 ounces. $490, sometimes to $700. That's crazy. But each chocolate is like a bottle of the wine, or just scotch for each one. Here in Yumbos, we work with the same fruit, same quality, same process, exactly similar. But we make chocolate after fermentation during roasting. We don't keep or we don't age the beans. It's like a bottle of the wine. It's aged chocolate. We make tea, cockatoo with the shells on the screen. It makes me hyper. It keeps me up right in the morning.
Okay.
Your tour includes cockatoo. And the nibs. We make chocolate out of the nibs, and that's the part that left over. For fertilizer, compost, or mulch, you can put it on the floor on the ground for gardening the landscape.
Right.
Like a different flavor than different percentage. But these are dark chocolate. You know, dark chocolate means no dairy, no milk. But to make milk chocolate, we put milk powder, not cream, at the same time with the sugar in the container in the hut.
Chocolate face mask. When he leaves, I'll lick it off you.
It's edible.
So what are the benefits?
Remember cocoa butter? Mm-hmm. Cocoa butter is very common cosmetic in this area. I mean, it's a natural moisturizer. And chocolate, it works like a scrub. It's a deep cleaner.
I have to say, this is a first.
I was just thinking that myself. This is definitely a first.
Stop.
Scary?
Chocolate facial.
This one is very creamy, it's very healthy. It's good for you, and I don't like it. I don't like healthy stuff, you don't, it's good. But would you like to try? And this one is 85% pure chocolate, 15% sugar. And I like that one. 85% dark chocolate is good with wine, so I like it. Actually, I like the wine part.
So you just eat a little bit with your red wine or
Red wine.
Red wine.
Red wine. And this one is Mexican style, 70% with the salt, sea salt and chili pepper. But it comes in layers, in waves. First chocolate, after that salt, add the chili. Chili comes later, after taste spectrum. Let me bring you some, please. Yes, this one. Salt and chili, but it's not very spicy. If you try this one, it's more spicy. It has it.
Oh, you can see the
Yes, chili flake. Yes.
chili.
Yes, I will be back. Let me bring you some. No, ginger is good for you.
Ginger is good for you.
Yes, it's good for cold, cough, digestion, motion sickness, or seasickness.
Yambos chocolate. It was $10 each for the tour. Chocolate bars, 60 grams, or $6 a piece. It was interesting. Well, you can see the gentleman just putting out the bananas. It definitely brings in the birds. Might be a little hard to see through the GoPro, but there's a lot of birds. They're fed every morning.
Feeding the hummingbird from your hand was a unique experience.
Weasel's there. The weasel's there.
And this is a view off our deck of the apartment in Mindo. Beautiful morning. Probably nicest one so far. Sun's out. Not much for clouds. So, lovely day. Today we're supposed to take the cable car and off to the waterfall for a walk. Have a look around. Tomorrow we're thinking about doing the zip line. That'll be a first for either one of us.
So what are we up to now, Greg?
Cable car. I finally remembered what it was called. We're taking a cable car across and there's an option for 2 different paths for waterfalls. One's a 50-minute hike, I think the other one is 35 minutes.
The views from the cable car were incredible. The jungle, it looked so thick and green.
Actually, there seems to be more up than down, so I'm assuming we're going to hit the down yet. The other day is still nice and sunny, so I'm enjoying it. Part of the forest around Mindo. It's thick. Nice and lush and green, that's for sure. Oh, here's a little pool for wading.
Wildflowers blooming over here? Didn't you say they would?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay. They should be there soon. I can hear water. We're at about an hour and 10 minutes. I guess we're slow, folks. It's only supposed to take 50 minutes. Well, we started at 11. It's 12:20 right now. And we're still climbing. Up, up, up we go. 100 meters to the waterfall, Cascada. I was saying to Greg, it'll probably take us another hour. I think we need it.
We may have surprised a couple enjoying the waterfall.
And here we are, we've made it to the waterfall. An hour and a half maybe for us, I think. When they say about 50 minutes, so.
At the end, be careful with the GoPro because the brake system is gonna hit here.
Cable's gonna hit
Okay?
this, it'll hit this.
Like this. Always the GoPro there. Ready? Okay.
This ziplining is a first for either one of us. It was a little bit tense for the first time, but we did enjoy the adventure.
12.
You did it! Okay, let me help you. Okay, one hand here and the other one there. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Esto your pulley.
Mindo was truly a unique experience. We thoroughly enjoyed this part of Ecuador.